Thought I'd make a video and show you guys how to do it because it's totally working, guys, and it's completely for free. And you don't even need a computer, guys. You can actually just do this from your phone.
Hey there, crew! Do you need coins on Joi App? Well, let's open it up. And as you can see, 2,480. Booty, booty, booty. But look, I can turn on unlimited coins. So I'm going to press unlock, and let's see if it adds the coins to our account. So I'm just going to wait for it to load. As you can see, all right, it's loading right now. It says initializing, but I still have 2,480. So let's see if it goes up anymore, Brotherhood. Bang, it says 999 coins are activated. So let's see if our thing works. There we go. So I'm going to show you guys how to get this onto your device, iOS and Android. So let's get straight into the video, and I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So all we got to do, bro, is go to the browser, and now just type tweakmod.com. So now we're going to go to the search bar, type JOI, and then press install. So before it downloads, it's going to be a verification step. So this is the last step. You just need to download 2 apps, and let's just wait for it to load. So yeah, just give it a second for this to load. So yeah, super cool. So yeah, super insane. All right, so we're just gonna see, it's loading right now. All right, so it is coming up now. So as you can see, it's gonna say missing files. So what you need to do is download 2 of these apps. These are the missing files. So like Underdog says down in room for 30 seconds, so I could do that. Family Island just says reach level 11. It's a game, so I could download this, play the game to level 11, good to go. So just do 2 of them, guys, then you'll have the modded version. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel. This is super cool, guys, and it totally works. So I'm going to see you in another one, and peace out, Brotherhood.